Hi, my name is Nicole Bergeron, and this is Module 1 for Ed Law 850. I'm originally from Louisiana. I grew up on Bayou Lafourche, which is in South Louisiana. We lived about 30 minutes from the Gulf of Mexico, and I spent most of my time on a boat, fishing, crabbing, catching shrimp in the bayou or on the Gulf. My family and I have lived in Kansas for the last 11 years. We've also lived in Germany, Missouri, and Georgia, thanks to the Army. I've been married to my husband Larry for 24 years, and we have 3 children. Paul is 22, Zach is 18, and Caitlin is 9. And we have one furry child named Boudreaux. Just last month, my husband retired from the Army after 24 years of service, and we decided as a family to stay here in Kansas for retirement. My son Paul graduated from Washburn University in May, and he just started his master's in entomology at Clemson University this month. My son Zachary graduated from Manhattan High in May, and he will attend K-State in the fall, majoring in engineering. And my daughter Caitlin will be in 4th grade, and she's always busy with gymnastics, soccer, reading, and playing guitar. We love to be outside, swimming, fishing on our boat, and traveling. We love being outdoors. And we had a very busy month in May with 2 graduations. My education, I have a bachelor's in elementary education from Northwestern State University in Louisiana, a master's in early childhood education from Armstrong, Atlantic State University in Savannah. I also have my ELL endorsement. I've taught in Louisiana, Germany, Georgia, and Kansas, and I've taught grades pre-K to 8th grade English language arts. I've spent most of my teaching career in kindergarten and pre-K, and I just finished my 17th year of teaching. I'm currently the sheltered ELL kindergarten teacher at Washington Elementary in Junction City, Kansas, which is part of USD 475. All of my students in my class are non-English speaking, so we work on getting them English proficient and learning social and academic language while we follow the regular kindergarten curriculum. And I've been with USD 475 for 7 years. I'm also part of the Professional Educators Leadership Academy for USD 475, and I'm working on a master's in educational leadership through K-State. The critical reflection on my administrators, I've had the same administrator for the last 4 years, and this past year we added a lead teacher at our school, which means he was basically the assistant principal. I feel both the administrators are very well versed in evaluations, SPED laws, and 504 plans, student and parent rights, being a mandated reporter, negotiations, state and federal laws, and ELL policies and procedures. We have a very high ELL population at our school and in our district, and we also have a very high free and reduced lunch population at our school. So we have kids with lots of needs, both at school and at home, and our administrators work very hard to make sure that all the students' educational, social needs are being met at school and everything is being met at home. For myself, I know I have lots of knowledge of ELL policies and procedures, IEPs, 504 plans, evaluations, parent and student rights, and I have some knowledge of school law, but there's more that I can learn. I know I need to learn about school finance, school board policies, and negotiation policies. My proposed plan to get all this done is to ask more questions, lots and lots of questions, attend more school board meetings, continue my work in the Pella Academy, complete all my classes for my program, shadow administrators, read books and professional articles on the subject, and study board policies and school handbooks. I look forward to working with all of you this summer and hope you have a great evening. Thank you.